Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Jopat Tech Guru. In today's session, I'm going to discuss regarding Java tutorial. So I'm planning to go ahead with a series of Java related tutorials wherein you're going to learn the entire core Java. So that is the standard edition. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of the new videos. Let us begin the very basic thing connected with the Java. So what exactly the Java is all about? Java is a programming language and a platform. So keep in mind that it is a programming language which is having lot of rules, regulations, restrictions. So whenever the programming language comes into picture, right, we are having so many different kind of things that we have to take care whenever we are writing a program. So Java is a programming language as well as a platform through which you can go ahead and execute the applications. So you can build varieties of applications like web applications, Windows applications, and many other applications. So Java is a high level, robust, object oriented, and secure programming language. So it is a high level because many of the high level programming things we are going to consider while we are writing the program. It is robust in varieties of ways we can use it. It is object oriented. It totally depends upon the classes, inheritance, and many other concepts which are standard things in case of OOPS. It is secured as it is providing number of secured way through which I can secure my applications. So it was developed by Sun Microsystem. So now it is getting maintained by this Oracle. It is getting acquired by the Oracle. So in year 1995, it has started. So James Gosling is known as the father of Java. Before Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was already a registered company, so James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. Right? What are the features of Java? You can develop desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, banking applications, mobile applications, embedded systems, smart card, robotics, video games, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, financial services, Netflix, business applications, science, and many other things. So the features are not restricted to only one or two platforms. First of all, it is a platform independent. And second thing is, as we are having varieties of categories of different type of departments in the entire world, right? So we require the use of this Java to be done there. So Java, nowadays, we are having lot of different versions which are coming up, right? So you might have heard about Java 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as JDK and all other things. Of course, we are going to discuss each and everything in the entire web series, right? So Java platform or editions. So Java, yes, standard edition. It is a Java programming platform. It includes Java programming APIs such as java.lang, java.io, how we are having the header files. Similarly, we are having the references over here that need to be imported while you are creating the application. So you're having several kind of things like java.net, java.util, java.sql. So depending upon your requirement, you can keep on adding them. So these things should be added or imported at the starting of the program itself. It includes core topics like OOPS, string, regular expressions, exceptions, inner classes, multi-threading, IO stream, networking, AWT, swing, reflection, collection, hibernate, Spring framework. Like this, we are having so many things in case of standard edition. Coming back to Java Enterprise Edition, it is an enterprise platform that is mainly used to develop web and enterprise applications. It is built on top of the Java Standard Edition platform. It includes topics like servlet, JSP, web services, EJB, JPA, and many other things. Java YUMI, this is meant for mobile applications. It is also called a Java Micro Edition, wherein the micro platform is dedicated to create the mobile applications. Nowadays, because of the smartphone, we always depend upon the different type of apps. You can just go ahead and create the apps very easily with the help of Java YUMI. Java FX is also there. It is used to develop rich internet applications. You might have heard about many of the standard internet applications which are currently running. It uses the lightweight user interface API. So we are not having many of the things which are loaded inside the particular page, right? So history of Java. Java is a programming language created by Sun Microsystem in the mid 1990s, revolutionized software development with a platform independence. Earlier, there was always a problem in the technology as we are not having the particular applications which are getting executed in different platforms. So the cross platform or the different type of platform in which I can run the application, that particular thing need to be done. So this itself is getting implemented through this Java. Designed for write once, run anywhere. WORA, we call it. WORA. Once you write it, you can go ahead and execute it anywhere. Using this particular concept itself, Java is built. Java gained popularity through its use in web browsers, leading to its widespread adoption and extensive application in various domains. So this person is James Gosling, along with his friends like Mike Sheridan, Patrick Norton, initiated the Java language project in June 1991. The small team of Sun engineers, they call them as Green Team. So they have developed all this entire Java. Many things are included in the Java. So we are going to learn one by one. So in the next video, I'm going to again go ahead with the first program with the Java. Before that, we can just see the different type of additions, what is JDK, JRE, JVM, and many other things. Thanks for watching the video. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thanks everybody. Take care.